Hello there, everybody. Today, it's been a long year. So, this is going to be the first tier maker of the year. So today, it's going to be European countries. So, what? So, it's good or bad? Well, I don't know. Where I was in Europe, this is one of the beautiful European continents. Beautiful continents I've seen in the world. Well, it's been long since I'm done this right now. So this is gonna be right now. On the top, it's the best European country, and down below is the worst country ever. Yeah. So let's get this thing started. First country is Andorra. Well, you know why is Andorra? Well, let's just say I'm fine with Andorra. Really used to be an Andorra, but bad or nothing much more right now. So Andorra's gonna be fine. It's too small. Oh well. It's okay. Albania. Albania is fine. Albania is fine. I know there's sea, but it's gonna take too long. But I'm not sure. But so I think Albania is going to be. But Armenia, no. It's bad. This is bad. Well, I cannot tell you. I don't want to go to Armenia. It's too dangerous, and it's nothing like poor people. Like, I don't care about that, but it's too dangerous. I might die right now. Sometimes it's worth it. Belgium, well, guess what? The Belgium, it's great. You know what's great? It's chocolate. I love eating chocolate. No? Well, this is going to be a good country, which is in Europe. I don't know why yeah. Well, that was a good chocolate right now. I think this is the good time right here. What's this? Austria. Austria is great. So I'll put great. Austria. Well, you know, that's Austria right here. I think Austria is pretty good country, and yeah, and might be visiting someday. Something is wrong with me right now. Ah, there it is. There's the one who's live. Austria is pretty good, but yes, this is one. I should have left you right here. This is one I should not be. I hate this country. I'm put on worst. You know, Azerbaijan is too dangerous. Why will it be dangerous? It will kill someone else. Please do not go to Azerbaijan. It might kill you. Oh, this is one I really want. Bosnia and Herzegovina. That's the one who was looking at, which is amazing. Well, guess what the amazing is? It's amazing that country has no seas, and yeah, we should go through a pool right here on Bosnia and Herzegovina. It never happened this before, right now. So Bosnia and Herzegovina, which is pretty good country. Well, I'm really surprised right now. Well, that's Bosnia and Herzegovina. I don't know about it, but Bosnia and Herzegovina is a very good country. What's this? France. You know it's France. This is good country. I'll put on great. You know why it's great? It has Eiffel Tower on them. I'm assuming I'm Crete and Serbia, which is pretty awesome. You know why? It's great when you come to visit, which is pretty good. Now, so you can go to France. It's very good. Alright, so let's see what next. Latvia. No, 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 no. No, no. No, no. I'm put on, I am not going. Do you know why I'm not going? It's because it's too dangerous. You should not be visited in Latvia, okay? Get some other European countries right now. Like that. How could this ever possibly go wrong? I mean, it's not much for the same difference, but this is not very, very nice. Montenegro. Well, guess what with the Montenegro? This. Really, really, I'm assuming. They have beaches right here, which I was swimming. And made it all the way. And I see a Paw Patrol, and we have been visited every day. So I think Montenegro is the best country ever in this history. I really, really, really like Montenegro. Which is pretty good. I know. Alright, what's next? Georgia. No, worst country ever. Georgia is the worst place ever. I don't want to go there. It's too dangerous. It should not be going to Georgia. Because Georgia, fun fact, that will be a no preservatives, because this is a country which is non-palatable. Oh, this is Croatia, which is amazing. Why is Croatia so amazing? It's because it's beautiful coast islands and Dalmatian, and yes, it is absolutely stressing me out because Croatia, which is absolutely incredible stuff right now. Yes, go to Croatia because it should be a lot more fun. That's what's next. Cyprus. I think I'll put fine. You know, fine. You know what Cyprus is fine? Well, I don't know, but it's never been. But it should be. It's okay. Hey, look, look, this is what I was thinking of that. I speak English every time, every day. Guess what the UK will be? This. Really, really love the UK, okay? I speak English every day, and I teach the English, and I got the best student ever, and teach the English right now. When I was a little kid, I teach the English, and that is reminding me. I know. This is going to be great. And I know for fun fact, the UK is known to be not to be in the European Union for today. That's okay. That's okay. It's pretty fine, I guess. But this UK is probably the best country ever. What's this? Latvia. No. Latvia is not going. I'm not going. You know why is Latvia that I'm not going? It's because it's not good country. It's because there's another not good country here. You should not be in Latvia, okay? Don't go in there. Latvia. Okay, it's too dangerous. I don't want to see people go there. It's too poorly. It never happened. Pendulum. From now on. Greece. Okay, I think Greece is pretty good. So let's put on great. Well, Greece has a lot of islands. That's because I'm not for fact because Greece is a pretty good country. It has the best Greek salad. I never tried Greek salad, but I think I might be old enough. I might be just great. A fun fact right here. This is going to be a very, very long time. Czech Republic is also great. Yeah, Czech Republic is also great. I think the Czech Republic is a good country. And I think it might be the first time to trying a trdelník, which is basically a cookie topped with ice cream and a chocolate sauce. Yes, Czech Republic is also good. You should visit, and you can see right here. Yeah, you should come to visit. Belarus, I think it's fine. I mean, it won't be as fine as that, is a fact. I mean, it's Belarus. Well, it's not too much money right now, but it's going to be okay, fine. Really, wasn't gonna happen here. This is a nice country. Well, it could have been probably right here. I mean, a little bit dangerous, but I'm fine with this. What's next? The Netherlands. Ooh, the Netherlands. Oh, sweet. You know, I don't speak Dutch, but that's okay. I'm still speaking English. I think the Netherlands here. Well, the Netherlands is a pretty great country. I mean, yeah. That would be the Edam cheese. Well, yeah, they made probably, which is pretty good cheese. Yeah, really should visit right here, but I don't think it's a good idea right here. All right, and what's next? Kazakhstan. Oh no! Oh no! 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 This is the worst country ever. This is not what I was looking for. That. You know why is Kazakhstan so bad? It's too dangerous. You should not be visiting Kazakhstan. Okay. It's kind of probably like none of the people would go to Kazakhstan, but I don't think they should go. Well, all the bad kids should go to Kazakhstan. They deserved it. Okay, do not go to Kazakhstan, okay? It's pretty dangerous. It's not a very good country. You should not visit it. Italy. Italy. Yep. Amazing. And it's, yes, which is amazing. Amazing. Okay. Why is Italy so amazing? They speak Italian. Mario is Italian. Yes, they're pretty good. And there's pizza, which was, I used to make a pizza. And just exactly why. It's very good. Probably the great country in the whole history of life. Okay, this one, what is, oh, Serbia, that's right. Serbia is a great country. You know why it's Serbia? Because Serbia is a great country. When I was born here. This one, Serbia, is actually, you know, people should visit. Yeah, I think Serbia will be pretty visited. The Americans know what for facts about Serbia. I know. For facts. That's okay. It's fine, I guess. Alright, what do we have here? Russia. No, it's too dangerous. Russia is not good. You know why I'm not going to Russia? Because they're everywhere in Russian army. It's too dangerous. You could hit us. And Vladimir Putin, it's too dangerous. You should not be visiting Russia. They think you might be probably not seen every time I saw you. It's not gonna happen on this right here. Alright. What's next? Turkey? This. Fine. Well, I'm fine with Turkey. You know, it's kind of kebabs right now. I mean, this is dramatic. But I didn't watch the Turkish TV shows right here. But I don't think the people would go to. Germany. You know that Germany was known to be a Nazi, but not anymore. It's not Nazi because it's too dangerous. It's not anymore. And it's not anymore. It's today's country, Germany. You know why? This. Germany is a beautiful place. Well, I mean, Germany is a beautiful place. I think I should eat pretzels right here. Never drink a beer. I'm almost 18. I think. Yeah. Probably the best one I could have had right here. Alright. What's next? Alright. What's the next country I should see? Ireland. I'm fine with the Irish people. Okay. Ireland. I'm fine with the Irish. Well, I mean, Irish is, okay. I mean, it's not okay, but, I don't know about that. It's a stout beer. The Irish people would drink that. I mean, yes. This is probably okay. It's fine, I guess. I think a lot of people would go to Ireland, but I don't know about it. Alright, what's next? Up here. North Macedonia. I'm fine. I'm really assuming about North Macedonia. So, I mean, it's not too dangerous, but I'm fine with them Macedonian people. I mean, this is good. Seriously. Probably the good times are here, but I don't know about this. Portugal, yes, Portuguese. You know why it's Portuguese? You know why it's Portuguese so good? This. Probably the best country ever. I mean, still coronavirus. No one's going to be. But probably the good country. I mean, this is definitely the number that here. Yeah, probably the good time. So they never have, Portuguese people will never have to do this, because I don't trust the European people. Ukraine, no, it's not happening. Well, I don't know about this Ukraine. Ukraine is not good country. Let me tell you something. I don't care about the Ukraine. Ukraine is not a good country. Okay, it's too dangerous for you. You should not be visiting Ukraine. I mean, Ukraine is probably not as good as a country. This is not. You should visit. visit. Okay? You should not visit. What's next? Slovenia. I'll put on great. That Slovenian people is much of a difference. Okay, Slovenia is pretty good. A little bit bad, but that's okay. Still, it's pretty good. I mean, it's the Slovenian people. Never just happening on this. It could be worse than I thought. Never just happened. To be. Estonia. Oh God. No. Estonia. Not Estonia. Estonia is the worst country ever. Okay. You know why Estonia is worse? It was too dangerous. It's too snowy. I would be freezing. Okay. I should stay in Serbia. I have a hot country, and I should staying here. Really wasn't gonna happen. This is too much of this. This is not very good. Not very good country. This is not very good country. This is the worst. Alright, what's next? Oh, Spain. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love Real Madrid. I love football and I love basketball. I love basketball because it's so much fun right here. I personally like Real Madrid. It's best, which is probably the best. I think I might be watching some ball chase in Madrid, so festival. But this is going to be a good time to say this thing. First of all, you need a mask right here. But this is going to be a good country right here. What's this? Worst. I don't know what this is, but soon be later. Alright. What's next? Finland. I think it's fine. Well, I mean, Finland is okay. But not as okay as you think. But, never just had to be. This is what I think it was. It's kind of probably good times. It's never gonna finish people right here. Seriously. Oh wait, oh it's Holy See, okay. Sorry guys, okay. What's next? Hungary! Wow, which is pretty good. Hungary is a good country. Good country. I mean, yeah, it's a pretty good country. Hungary is absolutely great. This is personally want to visit the Hungarian people. Yeah, personally, nothing can go wrong with this. Hungary. Luxembourg. Yes, this is absolutely amazing. Well, which is amazing. There's only one capital city, which is Luxembourg City, but still, it's a pretty good country, which is amazing. Which is amazing. The people love it. I mean, yes. Which is absolutely incredible. You should visit Luxembourg. Okay? I should recommend the UK. Okay? Okay, I mean, it's UK. I don't care. Well, Moldova. No. Moldova. I mean, Moldova is not good. I mean, it's not good as you think. It was too dangerous. But Moldova is not good country. You should not visit Moldova. It's never gonna happen on the European countries right here. This is so dumb. This is kind of probably good times right here. Monaco. Fine. I'm fine with that. Well, you know why it's fine, okay. Monaco is okay. But France is best. Monaco is fine, but France did a great job on that. It's just what I think. Yeah. It's a pretty good country right here. Alright, what's next? What happened? Malta. Well, I'm not going to Malta. Well, I don't know about that. So I'll say no, I'm not going. You know, I'm not going because, I'm not going because, this is not good for me. I should never visit Malta. Okay, it's not a good country. It's too scribbly. It's too dangerous. You should not visit it. Okay, what's next? Bulgaria. Hey, where? Oh, Bulgaria. Bulgaria is great. Bulgaria is better than Russia. Okay? Seriously. They have pools in the seas. Well done. And yeah, you should see Bulgaria. But I don't care about that. What's the next country? Poland! Oh God, Polish people! God! Stupid Polish. I'm not going. Do you know why I'm not going? Because there is too much Polish people right here. This is no good. Polish people. But I don't think Polish people is no good country. Therefore, I'm not going. I don't trust the Polish people. Poland is no good country. You should not visit Poland. Okay? Every time you say kurwa, then you say kurwa. That means it's crap. Just crap country. Okay, we still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 countries left. What's next? Vatican City. I'm fine with that Vatican City. I mean, Vatican City is much better than this stupid crap. Nice. Holy see. I think probably good times right here. What's next? Iceland. Wow. This is probably amazing. Wow. Probably amazing. Iceland. Iceland people. I think Iceland is much better country than Greenland. Because Greenland is not a good country. You should not visit Greenland, okay? First of all, the Iceland is a very good country. Go visit it. Right here. Slovakia. Great. Slovakian people, they speak Czech. Like Slovakia. Yeah, I think probably good. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this. But you should visit Slovakia. This is good country. Okay, we're down to just 7 countries. Let's have a look at the next one. Romania. I'm fine with Romania. Okay. I'm fine with Romania, okay? Well, Romania look like that. But I'm not a vampire, as you think. That's okay. That's okay. There's no vampires up there. There's nothing. Okay. Oh well. I mean, there's no vampires in Serbia. I'll be okay. What's next? Oh, Liechtenstein. Well, Liechtenstein is pretty good. It's a pretty good country. It's kind of looked like that. Yeah. This is good country. Oh, wow. Look at this. Switzerland. You know, Switzerland will be... Best. I will say that word, and yodel do. It's Swiss, people. Looks like the best Swiss cheese ever in its history. Wow. It's amazing. Next we have Sweden. Sweden is great. Sweden is great, and Swedish people. They were used to make a small size meatballs, which is Swedish meatballs, which is pretty good. Next up we have Norway. Great. Norwegian people used to be on Christmas Day, but never happened on that, considering about this. That's okay. San Marino. I'm fine with that. I mean, could be a possibly San Marino people, which is nice. I think it might be a good time, but I'm okay with that. Denmark. This is the last country right here, and Danish people, if you're watching this, this should be visited. You should go to Denmark right here, because Greenland is too much. Because Greenland is not safe, and Danish and Denmark, which is a pretty great country, so I should put great. And Denmark is an amazing country. Okay, Denmark is better than Greenland, and those are all of my European countries tier maker. So the best country is Montenegro, UK, Portugal, Spain, Switzerland, amazing, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Italy, Germany, Luxembourg, and Iceland. Great is Belgium, Austria, France, Greece, Czech Republic, the Netherlands, Serbia, Slovenia, Hungary, Bulgaria, Slovakia, Liechtenstein, Sweden, Norway, Denmark. Fine will be Albania, Andorra, Cyprus, Vatican City, Belarus, Turkey, Ireland, Norway, Finland, San Marino, Monaco, Romania, and that I'm not going to. It will be Armenia, Latvia, Lithuania, Russia, Ukraine, Moldova, Malta, Poland. And the worst country will be Azerbaijan, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Estonia, and I don't know what to say. I think it's a holy place. They all have white. But still, I don't know. I don't know what this is, but that's okay. And those are all of my European countries they are making. We'll see you next time. And I'll see you guys time. Goodbye.